So Honor's releasing their first flippable cell phone as of next week. Well, June 13th. It's like a week. It's like 10 days. In 10 days, they're going to be releasing their first flippable cell phone. Now, this cell phone is only going to be released in China. Okay, it's not released in America. It's not international. It's only in China. And you might say, well, why does this matter then? Like, I'm not from China. I'm not going to be able to buy this cell phone. Why would I care? And the reason why is because every flippable cell phone that comes out pushes the industry forward, and every single cool idea or amazing idea that people like will most likely end up on a cell phone that you might pick up, like a Galaxy Z Flip 6 or a Z Flip 7 or Motorola, so on and so on. In the end, every single feature that gets added to these flippable cell phones a lot of times is just a copy and paste from other cell phones, from other, manufacturers pretty much. They release a cool feature, people love it. It's a copycat industry pretty much, right? Everyone just copies off one another. So that's why you probably should care about this. But anyway, though, the Honor Magic Z Flip has confirmed that yes, it will be coming out on June 13th in China. Reservations is now open for the phone. It will be coming out in white, pink, and iris black. Interesting. Also, of course, this will go ahead and it's rumored to have the largest external display among competitors and possibly the thinnest and latest clamshell foldable. And again, that's why another reason why it's, very important to care about this is because this is going to push the industry forward. So the next flippable phone from Samsung or whoever is going to try to beat this claim and beat this whole situation. So whatever we see out of this phone could be a indication of what the future might look like for the flippable phone industry. So again, that's why always cool to look at and always cool to kind of break it down. But very much like many flippable phones here coming out right now, the whole outside of the phone is the display. Other side is just nothing. And it's, again, these flippable phones, like I said, it's a copy and paste industry, okay? That's really what it is. It's going to be the same old for a lot of these phones. Which is okay, because if it's not broke, don't fix it, right? That's kind of the mentality. And what really they're able to do is exactly what Honor is here, which is make the inside display even better, which then, of course, makes the phone better. So, also, they're adding 12 gigabytes of RAM in every variant of this phone, which is something I've seen a lot, is phone companies trying to up the RAM, especially in these flippable phones, when, again, like I said, there just isn't too much more they can change about these phones. They try to change it by adding stuff to it, like, again, the, RAM size, the screen size, the battery size, stuff like that. So, little things that they can add to increase the chance of their phone being productive and actually selling well. So, overall wise, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.